Hi everybody, it's Carly Davis and I'm going to show you how to do another prank. Well, you guys already seen me do the noodle prank today, the hot sauce prank today, but now I'm going to show you a sneeze prank today. But what you're going to do, you are just going to get a thing and fill it up with water, or you can just have it in there, it doesn't really matter. What you're going to do, you're going to go up to somebody, and then like if you're in a line, they're facing that way, you're going to be like, achoo! And then the bottle, the spray that comes out of it will act like it's your sneeze and your snot and everything. And then be like, ew, that's so gross and everything. Well, it's not really your sneeze. So thank you everyone for watching me. Hope you subscribe, comment, and thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching my videos.